Hi everyone, welcome to Philaburbia Weather's video forecast for May 9th, 2012. Visit my YouTube and blog, and I will try to be quick today as there is a lot to talk about, and I have a surprise at the end, pretty big feature of this video, so get ready. So let's go over the day overview. May 9th, 2012. This morning it was rainy, pretty miserable. It did become cloudy by the afternoon, but it was humid and soggy. Tonight there will be more rain from a coastal low right here, and this thing will move out, and it will be, by tomorrow afternoon, it will be dry, maybe even a little bit of sun. So let's get to the 5-day. Tomorrow there will be damp morning, wet roads probably. It will dry out by the afternoon with some sun. Temperatures, I was a bit conservative here, but if the sun does come out, I could see temperatures going into the 70s. Friday, same thing, sunny and nice. If it, more sun, the warmer it's going to get. Saturday and Sunday, pretty much repeat performances, just nice, seasonable. Just go outside, enjoy it. And Monday, it will be cloudy with a few showers as a little disturbance passes by. So we head to the radar. So here we go. Pretty exciting radar we got going on here. We have the low pressure down here. I'll zoom out here. Low pressure is down here, and that thing will move up. A lot of moisture being brought in, as you can see, just stuff moving that, showers and thunderstorms moving in toward the storm. A lot of rain here, pretty heavy. It's going to move up into our area soon. Say 30 minutes to an hour. We'll be in pretty steady rain. So we head into the simulated radar. This was a little bit more conservative on the rain totals. Looks pretty light. I don't think this is right. I think we'll be getting more heavy rain tonight. By tomorrow it will clear out. Maybe a few showers from the wraparound. But other than that, pretty nice day. Oops, so we head to the models. As you can see, move up here. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, nice, as high pressure takes over to our south here. And by Monday, we have a little disturbance moving through here. Not much going on. And then the GFS is saying that it's quiet for the whole week. The European model, another model that I use, is calling for some rain Tuesday into Wednesday. Right now I'm not really sure what's going to happen. It's still a little far out into the future. By this weekend, I should have a better hold on everything. So I want to show everyone something pretty cool this time of year. So I will go out into the long future, and this is very just arbitrary, just nothing. I would not go off of any of these to make any predictions whatsoever, but I figured I'd show this to you all as right here we have our first, it looks like, tropical system of the season, and this is in May 24th, before the official season even begins. It's on 2 straight runs. It's on this run here that I just showed you, on that run here, and then it's just on the most recent run from a few hours ago. So maybe, maybe not, very far out into the future, you just don't know, but it is showing something this time period. I'd keep a watch, and I will keep a watch as we head into next week. So that brings us to the feature part of this video, which is the official 2012 hurricane season prediction. So I figured I'd go into this after the forecast models have been showing some sort of tropical storm coming up. So we're heading to a weak El Nino this summer, and I looked into similar years a few weeks ago. They were 1951, 1965, 76, 97, 02, and 06. I calculated the average number of storms for each year, and that came out to be 9.83 storms per year. So during these years, tropical cyclogenesis is suppressed and in an El Nino especially, just storms tend to not form as easily as they do under other conditions, and predicting the hurricane season numbers is just not an exact science, really. There are many variables involved, some that we don't even know about. Just seriously, we just haven't figured them out yet. That's why it's very hard to predict where a hurricane is going and when it's going to form. So we head into some example seasons that I have used to make my predictions. So 1997 was very similar to this year. And El Nino started around June, which is planning to do this year, and it strengthened during the season. The El Nino strengthened, and there were 8 named storms this year. Pretty quiet, really quiet year actually, and most storm paths were not in the Caribbean. Actually, I may say none were in the Caribbean. Maybe this one right here. Maybe, I don't even know. I hope this isn't too small for everyone, but as you can see, there was one landfall here, and this looked like it was Hurricane Danny, if I'm looking right. Hurricane Danny that hit the Louisiana, Alabama coastline. This was just one landfall, just quiet. Nothing, everything was going out to sea this year. So when we get to another example season that I looked into, this was 2006. It was a rapid El Nino growth from La Nina in the spring. This year we're not expecting a rapid El Nino growth, but still expecting some growth. There were 10 named storms this year in 2006, and there were 3 landfalls, and all of them were tropical storm strength. None of them, and right here in well, Haiti right here is a little bit of a hurricane, but nothing extraordinary. So most of them were weak landfalls. So, and most storms once again were staying out of the Caribbean, and they were forming earlier. So 1, 2, 3 storms. There really wasn't much going on down here, as you know. During other years, we just see multitudes of storms just coming up and out and in and out and in, and just it's crazy. But this year, in 2006, just a lot of storms going out this way, and it's curling out to sea. So, coming off those 2 example seasons, for the 2012 hurricane season, I am calling for 10 named storms. 5 of these storms will be hurricanes, I think. That's what my prediction is. And the beginning of the season will be active. 2006 had a very active beginning season in June, July. So expect a few tropical systems in June, and as we see in May, you just never know. And the tropical activity will slow down dramatically by the end of the season. All of these years had tropical development pretty much cut short right at the beginning of October. So not looking good for any late season storms this year. And I am calling for only 1 to 2 U.S. landfalls, and this could be anywhere from New England to Louisiana to Florida. So it could be more, and I apologize if it's more. I don't want to underestimate anything really with this stuff, but I'm trying to be realistic. So 1 to 2 U.S. landfalls seems realistic, and that's pretty much it for my prediction. So hopefully it'll be right. We'll see what happens. It should be an exciting hurricane season this year once again, even with fewer storms, but fun to follow them and fun to keep track of. Alright, I will see everyone tomorrow in my video. Thanks a lot.